Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to get the Grappler in Emergency Response, Liberty County. The easiest way to get your hands on this awesome tool is by owning the Police Customization Game Pass. This special pass unlocks a variety of exclusive police equipment and vehicle modifications, including the Grappler. Once you have purchased this Game Pass, you're all set to deploy it from your police vehicle, making it a straightforward process to acquire and use. Now that you have the Police Customization Game Pass, deploying the Grappler is simple. Just hop into any police vehicle in the game. The Grappler isn't an item you carry, but rather an attachment for your police car. To deploy it, you'll typically press the down button on your keyboard. This action will extend the Grappler from the front of your vehicle, preparing it to stop fleeing suspects during a chase. Understanding how the Grappler works is key to its effectiveness. When deployed, this powerful device attaches directly to a suspect's vehicle, bringing it to a complete halt. It's designed to quickly end high-speed pursuits by immobilizing the target. The Grappler works by covering the suspect's wheels, making it impossible for them to drive away. This gives police officers a crucial advantage in apprehending criminals. To master the Grappler, remember a few key tips. Always aim carefully to ensure a successful attachment to the suspect's vehicle. Keep in mind that it works most reliably on non-stolen cars and those not traveling at extremely high speeds. Consistent practice in different pursuit situations will greatly improve your deployment accuracy. Using the Grappler effectively will significantly enhance your role-playing experience as a dedicated law enforcement officer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.